What's up YouTube, this is Sankey from Stockflix and I make daily videos on the stock market. Guys, I'm delivering you value bombs today. I'm giving you two hot stocks that you guys should consider loading up on. I'm talking about the recent downgrade of XPENG and what this could mean for NIO. And guys, I'm going to give you a different perspective on how you can invest in companies. So guys, you want to stick around for this one. But before I do check out that link down below. That's Trading212. Go and grab yourself a free share of stock worth up to $100. Right, you get a free share of stock, I get a free share of stock. It's fantastic value and it really helps support the channel. So guys, without further ado, let's jump into the portfolio and see what's going on. So guys, up on screen, this is my YouTube growth portfolio, currently standing at about £39,000, which is just under $50,000. Guys, I come on here each and every day just to show you the portfolio and show you the power of the stock market, right? I share my picks with you and I'm here to help you guys make some fantastic returns. So guys, without further ado, let's jump into the first company I think you guys should be loading up on. So guys, on screen is Apex Technology, that's ticker symbol APXT. Guys, this is a SPAC that gives you access to AvePoint. Right, I've profiled AvePoint before. They're a fantastic business and I think they're going to get a lot more clients going forward. What I really like about AvePoint is their sticky revenue. Guys, their revenue is recurring. That's going to help the cash flows of the business, right? That's a fantastic business model. I like their price point. It's $13.80 right now. I think this can be a $20 play by the end of next year. So guys, jump in and grab yourself some Apex Technology stock. So guys, the second play I'm going to put you on is Lancadia Holdings. Guys, this is another SPAC play, ticker symbol ACA. This gives you access to Golden Nugget. Guys, this is the online gaming company and that online gaming sector is booming, right? There's some relaxed regulations now and they're set for takeoff, guys. This is a fantastic play. Golden Nugget between 2016 and 2019 grew 48%. They're EBITDA positive, right? Not only are they growing, they're profitable. This is a fantastic play. So guys, I want you to set your diaries on the 18th of December. The LCA investors are voting on the Golden Nugget deal. Now, normally in investor votes, there's no surprises, so everything should go smoothly. And we could see a nice uplift on that share price on the 18th. So guys, grab yourself some LCA stock that is set for takeoff. So guys, next up we have XPENG. Now XPENG took a beating on their share price, and this is in part due to a downgrade by a UBS analyst, right? So they've downgraded the stock from a buy rating to a neutral rating, but they still have a $59 price tag on the stock. Now guys, I want to introduce you guys to something. I want to introduce you guys to some fundamental analysis, right? So we're going to be jumping in and looking at XPENG, Li Auto, Tesla and NIO, right? And looking at their price to sales ratio. This basically tells you how expensive or cheap these stocks are relative to each other. So I want you guys to start implementing this into your analysis when you start buying stocks and shares, and just gives you an insight into what I do before I go and load up on some stocks. Okay guys, so on screen we have NIO, Li Auto, XPENG and Tesla. We have their revenue for 2020, we have their market capitalization, and we have their price to sales ratio. So guys, remember, this is how expensive or cheap the stock is relative to each other. So what stands out to you guys? Look at XPENG, 49 times price to sales ratio. That's so much more expensive than the rest. Interestingly, Tesla is the cheapest, followed by Li Auto, followed by NIO, guys. But XPENG just stands out on the sheet at 49 times. It's a very expensive stock. Now, to get the price to sales ratio, guys, all you do is you just divide the market capitalization by its revenue. I want you guys to start doing that on some of the stocks that you invest in, right? This will give you a good indication if you're buying something for cheap or expensive. And guys, the idea is to buy low and sell high, right? So XPENG is very high. Now, one thing to note is, yes, XPENG in Q1 and Q2, these are their quarterly revenue numbers down here, they did have a rough time, right? And you can see the stock is really taking off in Q3. But guys, even if we assume that XPENG literally performed as well as it's expected to do in Q4 throughout the whole year, it's still a 28 times price to sales ratio. it's still way more expensive than NIO, way more expensive than Li Auto, way more expensive than Tesla, right? So where does this leave us, guys? I would not touch XPENG, right, until it drops down to $48. Guys, why do I say that? Because let's assume that XPENG had a fantastic year, right, with these revenue numbers. Its price to sales ratio will be 28, but I want to invest in XPENG when it is the same price as NIO. And to get XPENG the same price as NIO, its market cap needs to drop down to 35 billion, right, from 38 billion. This will give it a 26 times price to sales ratio, and it would remember it would have a $48 price tag. So until I see XPENG at $48, I don't want you guys touching XPENG. Remember, this is not financial advice. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. This is what I'm doing. I would not touch XPENG until it reaches $48, because then I know on a fundamental level it is priced well. Otherwise, XPENG is priced too high. So yes, I do agree with the UBS analyst that the rating for XPENG should be hold. Right, it should definitely not be buy, it should be hold at this stage until XPENG starts generating more momentum and the whole EV market rises, right? And then we could start thinking about allocating some money to XPENG. So guys, where does this leave us with NIO? So NIO is priced at 26 times. I don't think we're going to see analysts downgrade NIO, right, to from buy to hold. I think they're going to keep the rating the same. Even though NIO is priced well above Tesla and well above Li Auto, it is a very fast growing business with some really unique parts to the business, right? You know, that battery swapping element, that battery of a service element, its global expansion is a fantastic company. So my recommendation is to continue dollar cost averaging into NIO over time, and you will be rewarded very, very nicely. So guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. Do hit a like on this video. It really, really helps the channel out. Do hit that subscribe button, guys. Become part of StockFlix. We're growing. We're a fantastic community. And guys, do light up that comment section. You guys have been fantastic recently. I want to hear all your thoughts, all your opinions. Type them all down below. I'm replying and answering to every single comment and question, guys. So thank you very much for tuning in. I post every single day, so do check into the channel, consume that content, go out there, make some fantastic money. So guys, I'll see you on the next one.